Thank you, everybody, for all the love. Thank you for getting me to over 1 million likes and more in views on YouTube. I appreciate all the love, and I'm going back to my Azure. My business was hacked about a week and a half ago, and at the same time, it occurred that transpired to the second largest bank collapse in history. This case is in front of Congress as we speak. Okay, so I'm gonna start off from last week, and he's addressing me. Hi, Robert. As a summary of our last call, we made a remote session and we attempted to make the payment of the subscription that you wanted. I'm gonna stop there. It's because I am the owner. I created the Azure, that platform, that environment. Okay, I offer a service to Microsoft. All right, from my Google business. Again, I'll start back where period ended. According to what we discussed, the problem is that you cannot log into the Azure portal because your account has been locked. I took all the screenshots needed, and the case will be reviewed by our internal team in order to get a resolution to this issue. As soon as I have an update, I will let you know. Kind regards. All right? So, he was explaining to me that I had to log in with my admin account, which is Google. All right? So when I figured out as much. So I explained to him, I understand now the reason I hosted my codec. I wrote from my Google business when I started this Azure. Okay? If you click, well, you can't see these links, but this link that I provided to him, all right? This is the link that I provided to him. And this is my Google business. Here. Okay? This is the link that I provided to him. This is the privatized but public business because all my APIs and other programs that I've written to Azure are from my services that I offer. I run a business, okay? So, going back, like I said, the reason Azure and services have become ad hoc, which is like a hostile takeover, is because of non-payment. Because the Azure Blade market I made is all my codec I imported from my Google business. So, today I got a reply. Hi, Robert. I hope all is well. I will review this new information proportion in order to solve the issue. Thank you so much for the proportion. If you have any question at the moment, please let me know. Kind regards. Okay? So, going from that to my Azure, my business is back online. I am the owner. Okay? I am the global administrator, can manage all aspects of Azure AD and Microsoft services that use Azure AD identities. Okay? These are services that I offer. They have to pay me to continue using my privatized business as a service. Now, I'll click out of that and go to my profile, which has my name. Okay? You can see the day of creation when the Azure was made. At that time. Alright? Those are the roles. Assigned roles. I'm the global administrator. Alright? So, and then going to my dashboard here, we go to my portfolio. Okay, no one helped me do nothing. I done all this on my own. Actually, this is from my business. All right? So, don't believe it. I'll show you the proof. Again, this is all the services that I offer within. This is my portfolio. Okay? That I offer. You see? Security, 21. Identity, 22. Integration, 26. Mixed reality, 2. Internet of Things, 24. AI and machine learning, 26. Database, 20. Mobile, 3. Container, 6. Web, 15. Storage, 15. Networking, 33. Compute, 25 applications. In the general is 18 applications. Okay. DevOps, 8. Migration, 8. Monitoring, 11 applications, programs. Management and government, 27 programs. Intune, 4. Hybrid and multi-cloud, 14. Other, 218. Okay? This is within my tenant. Again, I manage my own resources, and I am my own tenant group. Okay? Here, from my Google business. All right? I ported all my APIs, all my programs within all my programs. Over 4,500 products in the marketplace. Okay? I am the owner, the account, same name account, Robert Carl Patterson Jr. Okay? So I have to activate again. Once they start back with those payments for those services, or it ends up a hostile takeover. Because the value of my company is more than the value of Microsoft. But I'm only offering services. So in the management, again, control costs, establish identity and access management, and use APIs. Compute, run scalable virtual machines and containers. Storage, store long-term, short-term, VM, and file store securely. Analytics, collect, store, process, and analyze large amounts of data. Networking, manage, connect, secure, and scale your networks. Distribute cloud. Serverless, build applications powered by serverless functions and containers. Database, create, manage, and migrate relational and non-relational databases. Operations, monitor, troubleshoot, and improve application performance. Security, meet our policy and compliance objectives. CI/CD, integrate and deliver continuously. Artificial intelligence, leverage machine learning products on a trusted platform, which I've done when setting up the Azure within, as you can see, I am the global administrator. Not only am I the global administrator, I am the admin also. That is my name. No one has helped me. I offer a service. I have a privatized business that offers a service to OEM manufacturers. Okay? And again, my portfolio is the same. All right, the same. It's the same. All my services are where I ported over. Okay, and going back to my Google business, DeepMind AI, which everyone should recognize as the leading artificial intelligence in the world. Tools, discover productivity, resources for your cloud, other Google products, explore gaming and Google Maps platforms, products, support, find live support, leverage, develop communities, and get self-service help. Again, I am the owner. I run a privatized business. Okay, now I'll say this much. I can actually tie in the hack that occurred to election fraud that happened within the voting system. Okay? It has a name. I'm going to show you what they've done. What they tried to do. So let me click out of this and go oh, I'm seeing two different cost managements now. I just noticed that. I just noticed that. Two different cost managements. That's a new one. That was just introduced, actually. So, okay. Just a moment. Going back to what I was saying. Okay, hold on here. Let's get to these sources. Just a moment. Okay, yeah, my Azure is back online. Correct. Just going over it real fast. Don't mind me. I'm going to show you guys where it's tied in to these voting machines. Just a minute. Let me click out of here. Just a minute. So anyway, I have control of my business, all right? We have that back online. Okay, the sync has never ran. I never ran this thing. Okay, just a moment. Now, this is what I was talking about. Intra, they run the voting machines. Somehow, when the hack occurred, also, my product page was cloned. From what I found out, Intra actually runs the presidential election voting machines. Okay? And that's what you'll hear in the media. Look at what I found out. Just because, look, you see that? Let's see if it's going to open now. Okay, it's open. Intra Admin Center. You see that? That's the voting booth for elections. Do you see that? Do you see that? Now look, let me go to my Google business and go here. I just want you to see the correlations. see how that is? Azure Active Directory, permissions management, workload identities, and verify ID. That's as far as they can get. But I can actually drill down more. Okay? So go into my Google business. Once again, just to prove a point, let me start activate this. As we let that activate, we'll go here. Okay, let's let this activate. And we'll go over here. Let's explain. Here you go. Okay. So you see, management, permissions management, compute, active directory, storage, workload identities, analytics, identity government, networking, verify ID. But look, I go on and on. Serverless, databases, operations, security, CI/CD, artificial intelligence, integration services. Again, I am the owner. Again, see that? Again, I am the owner.